Now here's a little montage of me feeling like a bad bitch with crazy hair but amazing eyelashes.
£130. I actually didn't think that I spent £130. But despite the fact, hey guys, I'm Ali, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today is an exciting video and I am doing my 2-month review of LASHIFY. I can't believe it's already been 2 months. So today I'm going to be talking about my LASHIFY journey. I'm going to show you what I have in my kit at the moment. Also how I apply them, any tips and tricks I might have, hopefully to help you guys out. And I'll also do a mini Q&A at the end of this video. So if you guys are interested, hope you keep watching. Stay tuned. So let's just get started. I'm actually first going to show you what I got from LASHIFY, my whole kit. Yes, let's get to it. So I've had 2 boxes that has come in already. Basically, just to explain, I subscribe to their monthly subscription because that actually works out a lot cheaper. It's 50% off everything, but the catch is you need to order monthly for a minimum of 2 months. But still, like, I find that that works out so much cheaper than if you just bought like the starter kit that they have. So I went for the monthly subscription. Comes in this little box, and then this is what it basically looks like. Inside you get the, well, it's obviously depending on you what you order, but you need to have a minimum of 4 items, I think, in your basket before you can put through the orders. So my first order was, I think, around £60, and I got the Whisper Light Bond, which is basically the glue that you need. I also got, I think I got 3 gossamers, so it comes in this like cute little, and then you get the gossamers. They call gossamers the lashes, is the lashes basically. So the different gossamers that I ordered are in D12, E12, F14 and F12. So these are basically more like for volume. If you like a lot of volume in your eyelashes, these are really nice. They're more like a natural volume though. Like for Asian eyes, I feel like it looks amazing because it gives you that eyelash effect without adding so much drama. But I mean, if you like drama, go for the more drama look. In my next order, I also picked up some more glue. So this is the bondage. So I've been finding that the Whisper Light, probably I wasn't putting it on properly, but when I was first trying it, it only lasted on me around, like, I want to say 5 days, and it just started lifting and I need to put it on again. So I thought I'd get the bond, which is the stronger glue. And then I also got Night Bond. I forgot what this does, but I think Night Bond is basically it's like an extra glue that you put on at night. I think I'm gonna research because I forgot. I haven't been using this one though. So the Night Bond is basically just like an extra glue to keep your eyelashes on for longer once you've fused it together. And then glass, which is actually really helpful. It helps to make your eyelashes waterproof. It also helps it to not get so sticky once you've done all your fusing and stuff. But I'll show you guys how I use that in the video. This is a really important tool that is essential, and it's basically the obviously need the wand to put on your lashes, but I thought it was so expensive. I think it was like £60 for one wand. So I did a little bit of research. I went on Amazon. Amazon has everything, and I found one which is like exactly the same shape. This was so difficult to find actually, because all of the like lash applicators that you see online, it's like this shape, which is not what I needed. I needed this one, and I found it on Amazon. I'll link it down below for you guys. I can't say that it works exactly the same. I mean, it's kind of like cheap quality, but it does the work for me. But if you want to invest on the control one that they have, I think it looks really good. Like with this one, when I pinch my eyelashes together, there's a little bit of space in the middle, so I feel like it's not fusing my eyelashes as well as it should be. So if you want to invest in that, please do. But I have this one in the meantime. And in the next clip, I'm going to be showing you guys how I put on my eyelashes. I may look different because I filmed it on a different day, and my hair is a little bit cray, but I hope you guys like it. So this is what my eyelashes look like without any LASHIFY, or without any products at all. She's very sparse. Also, please don't mind my hair, I'm trying to do something about it. But if you'd like to know, these are all heatless. I'm trying a new heatless curl routine, but I haven't tried this one before, and I didn't know it was gonna turn out this curly, but I'm kind of feeling it. But I do look like a poodle, I know. Anyway, let's get into the video.
So first thing you want to do is make sure your eyelashes are clean. So here I'm taking a little bit of micellar water on my cotton swab and just running that along my lash line, just to remove any excess oils or any makeup that's in there. But really, this is best to do after you've just washed your face, just to make sure it's free from any oils or gunk. I also like to brush up whatever 3 pieces of eyelashes I have left with my mascara wand, and then I also like to give her a little bit of a curl, just so you can see when you're putting on the LASHIFY where the placement is going to be. It just makes it easier to stick it on, but you'll see it in the video. So here I'm taking my Whisper Light Flexible Bond. So the one that I have, it has a dual end. The one that I'm using now is the black end with the mascara tip. This is more for like a daytime wear. I find that if I just use this glue, it lasts me for like 3-4 days. I also got the bondage wand, which you'll see me apply now, and this is more of a stronger glue. I do like to use them two together just because it gives me more of a stronger hold. So once I figured out my lash map and the style that I want to go for, I take the outermost corner of my lashes, put a little bit of glue on the band, and I just stick that on. It just applies so quickly and so nicely. You can see, I find with the LASHIFY, the inner corner and the outer corner lashes are the first ones to go. So what I'm doing here now is fusing the eyelashes, which is basically when you pinch the eyelashes to your own, just to make sure it like fuses. Now I'm taking my second corner lash and putting that and overlapping it with the last one, just to make sure it has something to hold on to. And as you can see, I'm like playing around with it. It doesn't stick on straight away, not until you fuse it, which is when you pinch it together, but I'll do that later on. And then now I'm putting on a little bit more of the bondage. So I do this section by section because, like I said, with the bondage glue, it dries out quicker, so you gotta really work fast when you're doing this. That's why I like to do it section by section. Here you can see I've randomly switched on to the white glue, which I said dries clear, because I find the bondage one doesn't work as well when it comes to putting a little bit of extra glue on the band. So I've switched to the clear one, and I just find it holds better. Like that. I'm loving the look of this lashes at the moment, so I'm still just playing around with it. I then like to fuse it section by section, so I start with the inner corner and then I move on to the outer corners, and then I fuse it all together. Here you can see just how sticky the glue is, and it's beautiful. This bad boy is not coming off. When I'm fusing it all in one, I like to go in from the corner. This is kind of tricky at first, but you'll soon get the hang of it. Just some lovely eye shots there for you. And I make sure to really clamp it together, like look at my eye. And then just take off any excess glue that you may have. So at this stage, I just check and see if there's anything that's bothering me or that's poking my eye. And once I'm happy with how it looks, oh my god, like look at this. One eye looks like a boiled chicken, the other eye looks like a flirty butterfly, and I love it so much. Here I'm just repeating the same steps I did on the other eye. For my inner corner, I just cut up a piece of lash and put that on each eye because it was looking a little bit sparse. And now I'm just using my glass sealant just to put on my wand so that when I fuse the lashes all together, it doesn't stick to the wand and comes off. You can see here just how easily my wand comes off and there's no lashes that's left out of place. Now I'm just using my night bond just for an extra hold, and then I let that dry, and then after, the last thing I do is use my glass sealer along the bottom and top of my lash line just so it makes it all waterproof and also just like seals everything together. Now here's a little montage of me feeling like a bad bitch with crazy hair but amazing eyelashes.
Hey guys, now for the Q&A part of this video. I asked you guys some questions on Instagram to ask me and I got some replies. First question is, what is your lash map? My lash map is F14, F12, E12, F12, and sometimes I cut the F12 in half just so it fits my inner corner. Is it better than lash extensions? For me personally, I do, there's like pros and cons. So with the lash extensions, of course, you'll have it for like a whole month and there's no lifting, nothing. Some eyelash extensions that will fall here and there, but nothing that's like major. Whereas with the LASHIFY, if you're like constantly washing your face and you've got, like myself, I put on eyeshadow, when you do take that off, sometimes it can cause lifting because if you're using oil, it breaks down the glue. But the good thing about LASHIFY is that you literally like have fresh eyelashes every day. How much do they cost? So like I said, I went for the subscription, monthly subscription. Let me just actually check how much it's cost me so far. So my first order was $89 and then my second order was $90. So that is like the whole kit that I have in total. So altogether it's $179, which is £130. I actually didn't think that I spent £130. But despite the fact, £130. So I've had my LASHIFY for 2 months now. Usually when I get lash extensions, I pay £60, £65 per full set. So actually, like, that works out to be like equivalent. And if anything, I'll have this forever. Like, I reuse it. I reuse my little gossamers. Like you saw in my video, the gossamers are still quite full. It's because like I reuse them. Like these are the ones that I've used like since last month and I haven't used the other half. So again, that's another one of the questions. Can you reuse them? Yes, you can reuse them. They say that it's not built to be reused as long as you clean it after you use them. Like I just let it soak in a little bit of alcohol and then I'll just brush off the like excess glue and it just comes off and it's like brand new, you can use. Somebody said, I just got my bold starter kit but was disappointed at how little was in the box for the price. That is true, because with the control kit, so this is like the starter kit that you can get if you don't want to get the subscription, and it has everything that you need to get started with your LASHIFY. That's why I decided to go with the subscription box instead, because at least I can pick and choose whatever eyelash style I want, also so I can try out the different types of glues. So if you are thinking about getting LASHIFY, I'd highly recommend going for the subscription instead of getting the starter kit. How long does it last? So when I first started using LASHIFY and I was just using the flexible bond, I would say it lasts me like 5 days max, and I already have like lifting on the 5th day and it comes off so easy. But when I started doing like my lockdown sort of technique, it's like a technique that they use to get the best wear out of your Lashify. You can find it on their Facebook group as well, which is basically kind of like what I do already, what I've shown you in the video. That one, I'd say that one's actually really good. I was impressed. Like, I was ready to give up on my Lashify journey because I was like, this isn't working for me. I don't know how people are getting 10 days whatsoever. Like, they must be lying. But I tried out this new technique and it works so well for me. So my eyelashes right now, these are the ones that I put on in the video, and they have been on my eyes for, this is my 4th day now. So, and they still look fresh. And I've been wearing eye makeup every single day because I need to make content and take pictures. And I also wash my face twice a day and it hasn't come off. There's no lifting. So I'm really happy with this technique that I'm doing right now. So guys, that is it for my Lashify review. I hope you guys like this video and I hope it was informative for you guys. If you're a Lashify wearer, please let me know if you've got any tips and tricks that I haven't tried yet, and leave them in the comments down below. I'd love to know what you guys think about this video, and I'll see you guys soon.